Hi, this is All Things Property with me, Zamantungwa Khumalo. Here are 5 ways to save for your home loan faster. The first, pay off your debts. This allows you to free up money that you can use towards saving for that deposit. The second, set aside a specific amount each month. You want to make sure that you're strict and diligent with yourself and avoid any temptation to spend that money. Thirdly, open a separate savings account for your home loan deposit. By doing this, you avoid any temptation to dip into that savings for other purposes. Next, sell unneeded items. Whether it's that second car that you don't use that often or unwanted furniture in the house, the extra money will go a long way towards saving for your home loan deposit. And last, supplement your income. A lot of us have side hustles. What you can do is use the money from that side hustle to save towards your home loan deposit. For more tips and advice on all things property, go to our blog on www.builders.co.za.